how to find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I show you how to find your Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. This is useful when you're trying to activate a Ubisoft game that you purchased on Steam. Let's get started. First, open the Steam app and go to your library tab, where you'll see all your games. Scroll through your library and select the Ubisoft game for which you need the activation code. Examples include games like Assassin's Creed, Far Cry, or Rainbow Six Siege. Click on the game to open its details page, and from here, look on the right side under links and select CD key, or sometimes activation code, which is usually located in the right-hand panel. This will display the code Steam provides for the game. A window should pop up showing your Ubisoft Connect activation code, so copy this code by right-clicking and selecting Copy. Now, open Ubisoft Connect and log into your account. Go to the Games tab and select Activate a Key. Paste your code in the provided field and confirm. And there you go, you've now successfully located and redeemed your Ubisoft Connect activation code from Steam. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.